Okay, candidates, stay put anay kaya para makalantaw ang atong mga judges. Okay, you can do your own personal poses. Magpapatalo pa dyan ang grade 7, grade 9, and grade 10. And now we have grade 9. Okay, last but not least, grade 10. Okay, thank you candidates. You may now proceed at the back and rest a while. While waiting for the winners for interpretative dance and environmental cosplay, let's have first the awarding of Certificate of Science Olympics.